Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Tonight we got another review. This will make a third review I think for this company. A little company that's brand new to the game. Company is called, I'm going to butcher it, Cúram Nádúrtha. Stay tuned. What's up guys? Welcome back. Thanks for coming back to the channel. As always, I appreciate all the support over here on YouTube and on Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll put the little Instagram handle right here. Head over and give me a follow if you're not already. Of course, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Tonight I'm going to give you a real quick review on a company I've done, I think 3 reviews now for, maybe 2. Cúram Nádúrtha. Mike and Tia over there in Chicago is where they're from. They're pretty new to the game. I've tried their products. Their butters are amazing. Their oils, nice medium weight consistency. Just overall really good products. There's quite a few reviews out already for them. And as far as I know, all the reviews that I've watched have been good reviews. Couldn't spit that out. Tonight, I'm going to give you a review on 2 of their scents. Yes, 2 of their scents. I was messing around with the sample set they sent me, and Mike had mentioned if you mix one and the other, you'll get a really nice scent. I'll go over that here in a second. But the scents we're going to go over tonight are the Irish Cream and the wife thinks this smells exactly like Bailey's Irish Cream, so that's pretty spot on. And the butter is the Cinnamon Dream. And if you guys have followed me and watched my reviews on this company, you'll know their oils are about a medium consistency. I'll go ahead and show you real quick. I don't want to drop any of these products I got right here. Just give it a shake. The Irish Cream, like I said, it smells just like Bailey's Irish Cream. Well, my wife says it, and I mean it really does. It's a really good scent. And as you can see, a nice clear consistency, maybe a hint of goldness. Whew, man, that smells really good. And you take the Irish Cream and their Cinnamon Dream butter. As you can see, I've been using quite a bit of this. As always, buttery smooth butter. The ingredients in these products are awesome. Actually, I'll go over it real quick for you guys. The ingredients in the butter are the shea butter, mango butter, apricot oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oil blend. And the ingredients are jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil, black Jamaican castor, sunflower seed oil, macadamia nut oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oil blend. And if you take the Irish Cream in one or the other, you mix it with the Cinnamon Dream, you get one heck of a scent. It's like, I don't want to say it's a fall scent, but it's almost on the verge of a fall scent, and it just a really nice spiciness, sweetness. If sweet and spicy had a baby, this would be it, but on the lighter side of the spicy. The Cinnamon Dream is like just the right amount of cinnamon. It's like the perfect blend of the cinnamon. I know the cinnamons that I've tried before, and you guys probably hear a buzzing. I apologize. Let me fix that. Hopefully that buzzing's gone. Anyway, the cinnamons I've tried in the past were really strong. I couldn't really use them, but I have done the reviews on them, for review purposes, of course. And the Irish Cream oil, it's like I said, Bailey's Irish Cream. If you guys are familiar with Bailey's, perfect. Like I said, put them together and you got a nice sweet and spicy, I want to say like a coffee type drink maybe. It's just a really good combination. And I'm going to do an honorable mention, the lime and coconut. Come on, Fergus. And if you guys are familiar with drinks, mixed drinks, never really was a limey type guy, but this is pretty good. This is almost, you know, you want to drink it out of a bottle. But you can get their products for, I can't remember the prices, but I'll put the prices up here, right? I'll put them somewhere on the screen. Mike and Tia, thank you guys for doing what you do, for sending out these products. They actually just got Sezzle. And if you guys don't know what Sezzle is, it's a easy way to pay. You can get 16 combos and only pay a quarter of what your balance is. For me, that's amazing because 3 kids. My wife is, you know, a homemaker, so she works every once in a while. I'm the one that mainly makes the money, so sometimes it's hard for me to buy products. So that Sezzle makes it easy for guys like me. I can just get a couple combos, you know, it comes out to like $40 or whatever, and they just split it up in 4 easy payments. And I've done that with a few other beard companies, but it's really nice. They just got that, so be sure to check that out. But Mike and Tia, thank you guys. Keep doing what you're doing. Great products, guys. I'll leave everything in the links below. I'll leave everything in the description below. Sorry about that. Thank you guys for your constant support. I appreciate it. Until the next review, guys. Peace.